So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan to get back your MultiTV channels, missing channels on your master decoder. So if you have suddenly realized that you can't find some list of channels or maybe a particular channel on your MultiTV or your master decoder, the satellite channels, all you have to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on your remote, and on the menu page you look for installation. Use the arrow up and down key and then put it on installation and you press OK on it. So on the right side of the page we have the DVB-S2, DVB-T2 and then DVB-C. So you need to ignore these two over here. If you want to run it, reset it to, you come to the last option over here, but you need to select the S2, which is the satellite second generation, and you press OK on it. So here we want to scan your decoder once again to get those channels. If after scanning and it's not part of your channel list, it will be two things involved, whether they have moved them from the MultiTV TP or their frequency to another frequency, or you are not having enough of the signal quality from your satellite, which it's not allowing you to get those channels in addition to your MultiTV channel list. So on this page, since you're already having a signal working, when you put it on the menu right here, all you have to do is to select start search and then you leave it as it's supposed to be. So if you are not using any dissect, you want to put off the dissect option over here, switch it off, and then you select the super blind. You need to ignore everything, select the super blind, and then you press OK to proceed with the start search. And here, if you want to avoid the channels that with the dollar sign, you can select yes, or you can leave it, and then you press OK to proceed with the start search, and you wait for it to complete before you get access to the channels that will come along with it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
So that's it. You wait for it to complete and you are good to go. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the like on. And you keep coming back for more. You share on other platforms as well. You keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.